Salute, trade game team. What's happening? Real fast, I hopped in here to give you a quick update video. A lot of y'all didn't notice, but I haven't uploaded this week really like that. I think I put out one video, and there's a reason for it. And I kind of want to talk about some stuff with the channel and what I've been seeing going on. And it's pretty much I got a belly ache and cry like a little girl. So here we go. So let's get into it. This thing you're watching right now, this first piece of content you're watching, right? That's that's the video I did last. So I did a live stream Friday during the London session, and the camera's in the way, but 33 people clicked on the video. At no time did anybody leave the stream running, which means that you didn't care about the signals. One of y'all told me you took a trade and you were winning a trade off the signal. And as you can see, there's only 7 likes. Okay, let me like my own stuff real quick and help myself out. So anyway, I digress. But yeah, so this is kind of what's going on. So let me just let you guys know about some of the stuff that's going on. First, I did have a new service that I launched on the Discord. It was the S tier. I was gonna do monthly mentorship. I decided to cancel that. Everybody who purchased it when I put the channel up, I removed them from the channel and I refunded you your money. So by the time you see this video, you already got a refund. So you don't got to worry about no one keeping the money. You don't got to worry about the money. Your money is refunded to you. You're good. I ain't gonna try to do no sleazy stuff like keep anybody's money. I know I am about that type of stuff. I don't care if it's a penny. If it's somebody's money, they're gonna want their money. So, I mean, I can understand that. I don't think who wouldn't understand that. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, that's one of those things that got a sub. Thank you, thank you. I'm gonna talk about that as well. That's one of those things that you don't have to worry about with me. I'm not gonna try to swindle nobody out of no money or nothing. So all your money was refunded. I only think like 2 people joined that thing. I didn't even get to put one of y'all in there. Something. I know I just hit refund on everything that was in that account. So anyway, yeah. So nobody really wanted the service. So I said, you know what? I think I'm giving people too much, and I'm gonna fall back. So that's why I didn't really upload no videos. I think I'm gonna go to a 1 or 2 video a week schedule because I noticed some of y'all in the Discord, y'all were asking me questions about stuff that I uploaded. Like I will upload something and say, hey, I'm gonna upload the average daily range video breakdown. That's something I should have put in the course, but I put it on YouTube for free. And y'all came in the Discord asking me about it a couple hours after I had uploaded it and put the link in the Discord, meaning y'all not watching the videos, right? Now, this is not me complaining or being upset with anybody, but y'all gotta understand that if I'm taking time to do this stuff for y'all and y'all don't support it, then ain't no point in me doing it. So, at the end of the month, going into Labor Day, I plan on doing some more traveling. There's a couple places I need to go check out and visit and do some business. So, I want to get all this stuff rectified with the robots, the new upgrades, and I just want to have all this rectified by the time I'm ready to take this next trip. And I don't want to have the burden of having to keep uploading daily like I was doing because I see it's not kind of getting appreciated. So let's talk about all that. Yeah, so I felt like when I'm giving y'all things like the average daily range and literally breaking down trades for hundreds of pips, if I can't get a little bit more support than what I'm currently getting, it ain't really beneficial for me to really tell my secrets and give it out. So I'm gonna focus more on putting videos in the course and less on YouTube. The second thing is the second thing is I hired 2 engineers, right, to help me put these softwares together. So you got me, my partner, my assistant, 2 engineers, and 2 other people that work on the robots, right? So people gotta understand something that's expensive. It's not cheap to do these things. The prices I was giving out these robots for, you could win that in one trade. If you go look at the short I just uploaded today, or right before this video, because this is gonna be the next video, you'll see that in order to win that many trades with software, you shouldn't be complaining about paying for one trade, paying for a piece of software. So I'm kind of tired of just trying to explain everything and trying to make people eat. And I do not fault anybody but me, because this is what I think I did wrong, and I'm gonna explain it. And I'm pretty sure it'll make sense when I say it to y'all. I think that what I did was I had a feast, and I prepared so many dishes that people who ate the turkey didn't even know I made chicken. People who ate the lasagna don't know I made baked potatoes. People who ate the baked potatoes don't know I made macaroni salad. And it's not your fault. It's just I put too much on the table at once. So I'm gonna reel it in and kind of slow it down and just take it easy. If I see that people appreciate it, I'll keep going. If it gets like this, I'll just slow it down a little bit, because I'm kind of tired anyway, and I really need to focus on these robots. So I'm not gonna upload like I used to. So probably maybe 1 or 2 a week, if that. I'll just want to see how it works if I slow it down, because I feel like I just gave too much. But once again, I'm not complaining to you guys that do happen to watch the videos. I'm just explaining. The Discord, I decided I'm gonna leave open, and whatever private channels I have, I'll leave those channels private. I have to private the course channel, because that's for people who specifically got the course and want to get some more knowledge on that. The workshops will be uploaded, continuing to be done and uploaded to the course. So anybody who misses the workshops, you could go back and watch the prior ones. I did give a signal in there, and y'all saw that signal hit big time. And I'm just gonna continue to focus on the business, because I gotta grow this company, and I gotta get the software done. And I'm kind of feeling the way about these 2 engineers that I hired, because now they're gonna have like inside knowledge of certain things, and they could take that and do certain shit with it. And I just don't feel comfortable with that, but that's what I have to do to grow the company. So yeah, back to this pitiful excuse of a live stream. So yeah, I did the live stream, gave the signals. People didn't really watch. I get it. It was a quiet stream, so people didn't watch. But I did it to give y'all alerts, to make some money, and people didn't really want it. So like I said, I'm just gonna discontinue this whole monthly mentorship thing until there's more people that want it. Once people want the service, then I'll bring it. Until then, I'm gonna just kind of keep everything and just trade on my own. But I just wanted to give y'all an update on why I'm not uploading and what's going on. I'm here. I just don't feel like wasting my time with stuff like that no more. So I'll keep recording, because I like creating. But as far as uploading daily, that's over. I'm not doing it no more. So I'm gonna be in the YouTube Shorts, posting my profits, posting my pips, just because I like proving that I could consistently trade. I like showing and not talking. I really don't like talking anyway that much. I like to prove myself. I like to show. And the best way to do that is to just keep showing my results, keep showing my trades, keep showing all these pips, keep showing all of these winning trades. So people say, oh, people like me, people that are arrogant, or the real word for me is confident. If you get too confident, you'll get cooked. I agree. But people kind of be waiting to see my downfall with this trading. So I like to just keep proving them wrong. I love when people do that, because it just keeps pushing me more and more to become a beast. So I just keep going and going and going, man. When it's time to crash out, I'll crash out. But for now, I'm gonna keep flowing it, pedal to the metal. I'm gonna keep killing the market. I don't care what nobody say. I'm gonna just keep doing it. All right. So there's a lot of software I want to put out. So I got to get some stuff redone. I'm gonna make my own versions of certain things. I'm gonna add certain features to certain things. Just things that I envision for myself. Things that I want to do. My mentor has his software. I'm still gonna continue to do the partnership with him with his software. But I have my own stuff I want to start doing, and my own stuff I want to make, and our own stuff I want to put out there. And I have my own methods and strategies that I use, as well as the stuff I learned from him. So I want to make my own indicators and trading systems as well. So I need a lot of assistance to get that done. Then I got to get all that testing done and make sure everything's working right, because I can't just throw it out there if I don't know if it works, right? So I'm sorry I sound a little tired in this video, but I am tired. I haven't been sleeping well, but I've been just continuously like chasing people down to get this work done. So with that being said, yeah, that's gonna be the video for you for today, guys. Like, I'm just gonna keep it slow, man. We're gonna keep the Discord open. If things don't really look right, some people left when I said I was gonna private the Discord anyway, so that's good, because I really don't want all those people just sitting around leeching. Anything I do for the Discord will probably be in one of the private channels anyway, because a lot of these people are not even really talking in the open channel. So I'll let them come and watch, let the numbers grow if they want to come. And, we do have a lot of conversations in the general chat, so people could come and get that free info. And, we do talk a lot there. But most of the people in the general chat talking are from the course, so that's ironic. But anyway, yeah. But shout out to everybody that's in that Discord that's active, because those are some great people. You know, I got a lot of love for those dudes, man. I feel like I kind of know them now because we've been in there for so long. For the last couple of days, just showing each other trades. You know, bouncing ideas off each other. A couple dudes have birthdays in there. It's pretty dope. I actually like what's going on with the Discord, so I'm gonna leave it the way it is because I feel like I might not have met some of y'all had I had it private. So I'm gonna leave it the way it is, and we can just keep the official TGO members and the private channels. All right, but yeah, man, I'm a little bit down about this performance of this video. To be completely honest, it kind of made me like, oh man, I was breaking my neck, and and it's my fault too because I didn't alert anybody that I was gonna do this. I just surprisingly did it. I just wanted to see how it was gonna be perceived, and I consider it a failure. And sometimes you got to take losses, man, and that's part of the game. You take them, you learn from them, and you move on. But as long as I'm winning my trades, it ain't really that bad for me to take losses in other areas with this whole forex stuff. But yeah, I'm a little bit down from that, man. So I was just looking at the way it's going, the amount of views and the subs I'm getting. I'm looking. Some dude, I won't say his name because this is not about him, but he got a channel removed, and he got another channel, and the other channel has 300 and something thousand subscribers. And I'm just like, yo, is this really what I have to do? And I'm gonna have to do that in order to like pop out here. Cause I was like, I don't even want to say nothing bad. I don't want to say nothing disparaging because people probably could figure out who that is, and I don't want to seem like I'm talking bad about him. Cause I like that guy, but pause. But I like the guy as far as like his energy, his vibe. But I just thought that was weird. I'm like, man, I don't know no more. There's so many things I see that make me not really like this YouTube shit. It's not genuine, man. It's just not. But I'm gonna continue to keep trading in the shorts. I'm not leaving the YouTube shorts. I'm hoping to get 500 subscribers so I could get the community tab and start posting my charts on YouTube. I could post a trade I'm getting ready to take. I'm gonna post a trade after I take it so I can really show results. And then I need 1,000 subs to get monetized, so maybe I can get like a couple pennies for the videos, because monetization without a lot of subs really don't make you no money. But I just would like to see my channel get monetized so I can unlock all the full features. I'm using third-party apps to go live, and I kind of don't like that either. I wish it would have been more of a thing where I could just go live from YouTube, but you can't unless you got a certain amount of subs. So, until I unlock those features, I'm probably not going to really feel too jazzed about this YouTube stuff no more. It's just, I see too much stuff here, man. One guy, he said, and this is just a complaining video, so y'all gonna have to pardon me. I'm not done crying. I'm not done bitching and moaning and belly aching. But one guy, he said, people who trade on a 1 hour and 4 hour are not that good because the banks know what you're doing. So he trades on the 5 minute. And I'm like, this guy got over 100,000 subscribers, and he said this. And this is what y'all listen to. This is what people are listening to. Then I upload videos, and I'm starting to see these same people talking about the same things I'm talking about. Meaning us, you new content creators to the forex market, we getting kind of jacked by these dudes. And I get it. I'm not saying I'm special, but they are taking my teachings and going to their subs with it. One guy, this is the thing. I'm using algorithms that compete with banks, that banks use. How you gonna try to act like you trading like that if you've been on here for 10 years and you've been trading a certain way, 15 years, 30 years, however long y'all been on here, y'all 30 with 30 years in trading. But my whole point is, how you gonna try to act like you trading like me overnight? And it took me 2.5 years to get that. And you just overnight could do it? No. So that's why I'm like, that discourages me too when I see that. So I just see too much people, it's too much like, it's too much give and it's too much take and not enough give. That's really what it is. And I'm like, I don't like all that, because I'm like, damn, how much more do I got to give, man? Let me get mine. So this is just me crying about feeling like I deserve a little bit more, man. But I think I'm gonna focus on the course a little more and start putting more videos in there to help those people, because this free crap ain't it, man. People not appreciating it. I thought people would appreciate it more, but they don't. But yeah, that's it, man. I think I'm done crying. If people enjoy the rest of your day, man. If I upload this video, y'all probably won't hear another video from me. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I can't promise because I like to make videos, but I'm gonna start tucking them away and saving them for later. I'm not gonna just keep uploading daily anymore because that really, really had me when dude asked me, and I ain't mad because he's a cool cat. He's a cool brother, but the fact that you asked me about something I posted in the Discord just told me right then and there y'all not watching, and that's a valuable video. That video teaches you how I get hundreds of pips, how I know how to stay in a trade to 100 pips and better, and you not gonna watch that? I'm speechless just off that. If people was uploading videos like that when I was trying to learn, man, I'll be downloading them shits and all that. I'll be listening to them drinks at work, cause that's what I did. I used to listen to all these stupid strategies at work. I would take my phone and hide it behind my collar while I was working so people didn't see me listening because I'm not allowed to listen to a phone or a device. And I would hide it. Let me focus the camera back. I would hide it behind my back and listen to these videos because I couldn't really watch them. So I would listen to them and then, there we go. And then I would get home and try to execute what I saw, and I would lose trades because these people were like not great traders, no offense, but I'm giving like the source that I learned from all those losses and all that pain, and I'm trying to give y'all the remedy so y'all don't have to go through what I went through with all those losses I was taking trying to learn. And everyone's gonna lose, but I'm trying to mitigate the amount of loss for y'all. Just like with me, when I lose a trade now, I don't notice it because I have my discipline to the point where a loss doesn't even mean anything to me because it's all it means is that trade didn't go the way I want. It ain't do nothing to me to affect me financially anything because I'm not taking a loss like that. If I lose 3% a day, I'm done with that account. So that's still 97% that I got. So that's not hurting me. Then the next day I might do 12%, 20%. So what's that 3% loss that day gonna do to me if overall I'm up 40% for the week? You get what I'm saying? So I want to break all that down more into detail, but I'm not doing it for free no more. So we gonna see what happens with the channel. I'm gonna upload and I'll start talking about certain things, but I'm gonna watch what I do over here until things get right, because I ain't feeling it. I just ain't. So yeah, but I gave some source right there by accident, and no one's gonna catch it though, because I see how things work around here. But yeah, man, seeing a dude have a channel that popped up with 300,000 subs, it really disparaged me. I don't know how does that even, I don't know, man. Y'all don't, come on, we know what that meant, but it just got me like, I don't know no more, man. This is crazy. I don't want to have to go down no dark paths to get where I gotta get. I don't want to have 200,000 subs and only 2,000 people watching my videos, man. It's crazy. Anyway, man, and that ain't no shot at nobody or nothing like that. But anyway, because that was general when I said it wasn't directed at anybody. But I'm gonna get out of here, guys. I think I'm done crying for the day. Peace.